is up, everybody? Early morning here, and it's not for a car show. Today we're gonna go over to Force Fed, drop the GTR off, get the spark plugs done, and get her tuned. So let's jump right into it. So we made it here to Force Fed Performance. Gonna be a good time. Hopefully tomorrow I can make it and watch the car on the dyno, because that's what I want to do. I want to film that experience on the dyno. I do not want to miss it. That's why I actually took some days off work for this, so hopefully I don't. But yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be spitting some flames. Hopefully it's gonna be a good time. So we're about to take off here. Let the guys do their stuff. We're not on the schedule for today, but they said they might be able to fit us in. But just so you guys know where to find them, highly recommend for Evos, Subarus, GTRs. They're the guys to go to here in North Carolina, at least for me. So definitely hit them up. All right, so we made it here. Car's on the dyno. Luckily they waited for me. Got Clark, you know him. He's in the Evo today, not in the M2. But let's get this pool on film, 4K. Let's go. So the car picked up about like 50 horsepower and she's running really good, he said. And yeah, excited. I'm gonna post the picture. I'm gonna show you that once I get home and whatnot, the actual numbers, but I'm really happy with it. Chris with Slowpoke Tuning, I'll link his stuff down below, the shit. And Force Fed Performance, the best shop I think in North Carolina to go to. So definitely check them out. We're gonna go get some food. What you just saw was Clark's Evo finishing up. Thing is wild, pushing like 40 something pounds of boost. That thing is crazy cool. Freaking awesome.
Nice car though. Yeah.
First legit time getting the E85. That flex fuel, that corn. I need to bring my fuel jug next time to fill it up, but there she is.